In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to participate in UniSwap Liquidity Pool. We'll walk through the UniSwap app together, set a price range, and deposit tokens so you can start earning trading fees as a liquidity provider, all in a clear and beginner-friendly way. First, open app uniswap.org in a trusted browser. On the home page, head to the Pool tab. This is where liquidity positions live. Click New to start creating a position. That opens the workflow for adding liquidity. Next, select your trading pair. You'll choose the two assets you want to provide, for example, a main network coin and a stable coin. When searching for tokens, use official sources or verified lists to avoid lookalikes. Double check you're on the correct network and that both assets are supported in the pool you plan to join. You'll be prompted to pick a fee tier. This determines the share of trading fees your position can earn and is typically aligned with the pair's volatility. Lower fees are common for very stable pairs, while higher fees compensate for more volatile pairs. Pick the tier that best matches the asset behavior and the liquidity depth you prefer. When you're ready, click Continue. You'll now see the current price for your pair. This gives context for where the market is trading right now and helps you set a meaningful price range. It's time to choose a price strategy. With concentrated liquidity, you define a minimum and maximum price for your position. A narrow range near the current price is more capital efficient and can generate higher fees when volume passes through your range, but it can also move out of range sooner. A wider range provides more uptime but dilutes fee concentration. Keep in mind that price movement can lead to impermanent loss relative to simply holding the assets. Next, deposit tokens. You'll supply equal value of both assets based on the price range you just set. Enter the amount for one token and the other side will auto-calculate. If this is your first time supplying a token, you may see an approval prompt in your wallet before you can proceed. Make sure you have a little extra native coin for gas. If you prefer simplicity, you can click full range. This sets your position to cover the entire price spectrum supported by the pool. It's the easiest way to stay in range at all times, though it's generally less capital efficient than a well-chosen narrow or moderate range. Finally, review the details, confirm in your wallet, and your position will be created. You'll be able to monitor it under positions, collect fees, and manage or remove liquidity whenever you like.